Getting help at the Linux command line is pretty easy when you know how. Most systems have the manual pages installed by default, so all you have to do is type man, then a space, and the name of the utility you need help with. For example, if we wanted information on using the ls utility, we would type man space ls, then press enter. The manual page opens the information in a paging utility called less, which allows us to scroll through the document up and down and search the document. You can use the arrow keys to go up or down. The space bar will go down one page at a time. Pressing H will bring up a summary of help commands for the less paging utility. To search in the less pager, type / followed by the term you are searching for, and then enter. All of the matches will be highlighted and it will bring the cursor to the next match from your position in the file. Pressing N will take you to the next match. You can repeat that for as many matches as you want to go through. Then to exit the less pager, type Q to quit the utility. Now let's go back into the man page for ls. Looking over the man page, we'll see a few sections. First is the name section, where it shows the name of the utility and the summary of the purpose of the utility. Next is the synopsis, which shows the command usage. Anything in square brackets indicates an optional item. Lastly, we have the description, where you get detailed information on all of the options and what they do. To quit the pager, remember to type Q and you will return to your shell prompt. If you don't know the name of the utility you need to use, you can use the Apropos utility to search for the utility based on a keyword. This will search through the command summary information to find matches. This is a great way to find needed commands when you're first starting out or when you have a brain freeze. Let's run a sample of Apropos. Try Apropos search and check out the results. We can see all of the different utilities that come back on our results that have the word search anywhere in the description of the utility. The last thing to go over is using sudo to run a command under superuser privileges. You can type sudo, then a space, and the name of the command to run. You will then be prompted for your password. Your user account will have must have appropriate privileges to run sudo. Typically, this means you are part of the sudo group. In my example, it doesn't prompt me for a password because I have just recently logged in as sudo, and you get a few minutes to run commands before it times you out. Let's run apt-get install less. Notice how it complains. Now rerun it with sudo in front and it will complete. Note that your student account will not have sudo rights on our server, but if you install your own copy of Ubuntu on your own server, you will.